Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a child to your profile on the Kahoot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and then you should click on your profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on add a child. Next to your profile picture, type in the name of the child that you would like to add. Tap on continue. Set his or her nickname. Tap on get started, and as you can see, you should choose an avatar, and now it has been added, so feel free to edit it anytime by tapping on this pencil button at the top. Select the profile. Here you can change your kids profile picture, their name and their age as well. So if you tap on them, you will be able to learn more about the Kahoot Kids section, and you can unlock all apps by going premium on Kahoot. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.